Austria has the
Switzerland, ano?
Swiss flag.
Switzerland flag na yon, yung cross.
Swiss flag.
Swiss flag. Yan o. Nasa boundary. Ayan na. Yes, we're entering Switzerland. Ayan o.
In about 5 kilometers, take exit 2 towards Courtemish.
Ayan o. Entering Switzerland ka na tayo.
And they have still their own borders.
Control.
Control.
There's the flag of Switzerland. You are in the boundary. Main Street.
Can I see?
France. The inside road. Look, beautiful here, huh? With all the flowers. On the way. It's almost by the boundary of Switzerland and France.
Go straight, huh? Where do we go?
Ayan o. Ayan o, Switzerland. Switzerland. Sa loob tayo. Nakapasok. No, ano? Kasi ate pagkain ng hayop. Jesus oh. Maganda talaga. Maganda talaga.
In 500 meters, turn left.
Yeah, no, it's okay. We're okay. Okay.
In 900 meters, at the roundabout, take
Ganda.
the second
So,
exit onto D463.
ganda ng view.
63.
Ganda ng view.